How to prevent bunions. Bunions are one of the most painful and common deformities that happen to your feet. They are caused mostly by not wearing the right shoes, but they can also be a hereditary problem. In this article, we will provide natural ways to prevent bunions. One of the quickest solutions to improve the condition of your feet with bunions can be the use of anti-inflammatory medications and some painkillers that will help get rid of pain. Also, you can do a series of physical therapy exercises that, when paired with the use of padded insoles, especially the kind made of felt, can be another effective method for easing a little bit of the pain that is produced when your shoe rubs against your foot. Another solution to that is much more effective and preferred by a large number of the people with this condition, is surgery, which permanently and safely gets rid of this problem. They do around 5,000 of these surgeries every year just in Spain. The most requested one by patients is the percutaneous kind, which is done through a much smaller incision, and the aesthetic results are more satisfactory for patients as well as surgeons. How can bunions be prevented? The most effective way to prevent bunions, this painful foot problem, is by wearing comfortable shoes, with a heel that is no more than 4 centimeters high, because when heels are very high, your toes get pushed towards the tip of the shoe and the big toe gets completely squished between the shoe and your other toes, even more so if your shoe has a narrow toe. Therefore, you should wear shoes that have a low heel and a toe that is more comfortable so that your toes have room and can move with some freedom. As a result, we recommend taking extreme care with the kind of shoe that you wear regularly. If high heels are your weakness, you should wear them as little as possible, but not every day. They are the worst enemy of the health and beauty of your feet because they cause bunions, and these are not only painful but they also affect how your feet look. Remember that when you get bunions, if they are not treated on time, they will get more and more pronounced every day, and the pain will get worse, which will affect the free movement of your feet. As a final and important recommendation, if you have a bunion or one is starting to form, you should see your doctor or go directly to a podiatrist. They will give you some worthy recommendations and will tell you the treatment to follow.